Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I love getting new jewelry, but I don't love draining my bank account. So these Mia large Pave hoops are the perfect thing for me. I think these are so pretty and feminine, and the Pave stones just catch the light in this really subtle and beautiful way. Because these are not solid gold, I did have the concern that they might irritate my earlobes, since I can have a lot of sensitivity, like my earlobes get red, itchy, and inflamed. I'm really happy to say that I did not get even a slightest hint of that with these earrings. They are completely comfortable and they didn't irritate me at all. I can honestly wear these earrings all the time. I don't even really notice that they're there. They're completely water safe, so I don't have to worry about that, and they transition so seamlessly from day to night. In my opinion, these earrings are a real bargain, since I think that even though they're not solid gold, they seriously look like the real thing. They go with so many of my outfits, and the Mia brand has so many different styles that I can mix and match. These earrings have been just the thing to help me to feel just that little bit more put together. But that's just my point of view.